guys, it's your favorite cape,
Tim.
boys.
Yeah.
We're back with another banger. Wat je mijn je?
Rar.
We're back with another video, and for you guys that don't know, we on Twitch. We were streaming 2 hours ago. Okay, we
Go follow our Twitch account. First put our Twitch here, the code here, and then afterwards you put our Instagrams.
away, guys. It's gonna be a special pause, part 5. But
Painting called Muna. I tell her come and jump in my sun. Oh.
and we sponsored by
No one.
Navia Man. Hey bro, copyrighted.
Okay.
I'm here.
Okay. Always something wrong.
Gawin take a thumbnail. Come. Hey bro, isang copyright. Say, we do a thumbnail.
I lost one. Lost. Nah, I think one is the lost one. You put the
Say why didn't I lick it?
Nah, kita to camera. Oh, is it? Yeah,
No, it tastes
nasty.
liquor. It tastes like cream.
Oh yeah.
Whipped cream. Nah, it tastes like perfume.
Oh,
Smash or pass. Smash or pass. There's a smash.
Nah, boss.
What?
She's recht, but nah.
Ouwe,
Ouwe, weer toch een opinie zijn. Een 10 ja.
9.
Ook een 9.
Ja.
Say 7.
Maar bro, don't talk your massa. Tonen jou wat wie
Ouwe, she's recht, but
she's Maya,
she's your type, not my type, but she's recht.
What's the first one? Mooi
You're the main
make-up.
character now. You're the main character
Boss.
now.
Ze hebben
I'm gonna take
preek
this
on.
one out. I'm gonna take this one out.
Ze hebben preek on.
Nah, leave it. That one is not portable. This one.
Ze look like Tyler.
I don't know.
Smash. 7.
Nah, boss.
Why?
She's recht, but boss. What do you say? What do you give out of 10?
7. I said 7.
6.5.
Ah, wou tangan na sa'yo C by the 7 no?
Wait,
Wat?
that is
Hi.
entertainment purpose.
Ja, entertainment
That is entertainment purpose. That is for entertainment purpose.
purposes only.
So the ratings we give doesn't mean you like ugly or anything. You just not our specific type. You pretty, everyone's pretty, but you're not our type.
For other guys, it will be a 10.
boss. Yeah,
Maar nooit ben. Voor English like hardop.
I think that's interesting.
Hmm.
Okay,
She look like.
next one.
She look like. No.
Rio. All I care about.
No.
To be honest, to be completely honest with you,
Yeah, we can agree to
the
each other.
temples bit. The temples, yeah.
She's not my type. She
Nah,
look
we
like.
smash, yeah.
She look like Zia.
Who's here?
This is. Ik zie die namen club uit. Met boss.
Nah, not for me. I smash. What do you give her?
Boss.
Just seven.
6.9. The people in the
Wait,
wonder why
that
we
is
give
like-
it a 7.
That is like questionable if it's a smash or boss.
Dit
But I'm
moet
gonna say momentarily.
maar die zie je person in a
Deal with
personality.
what we do with you. What do you do?
No boss.
Oh.
Oh, you wanted me to say the smash word? No, it's
What?
smash.
What?
Maar bro, ik victime bro. I don't know. Bro, Yes, Spider. Can I say about?
7.9.
Can I say about? Can I say about? Smash Bros.
Yeah.
Oh, I saw a model the pun. Look here, guys.
7.9. I would smash on a good day. Yes, on a
Look
bad
here.
day.
She look like that. Wait, she look like this. You see, it's not the same color. No?
Nice, alright.
But
Anything alone.
I wanted to explain now, my boy.
Nice, alright. 7.9. Smash on a good day. Boss on a bad day.
I do both.
Get
Smash
me.
and pause.
Get me.
Come, man.
Get me.
Cody. See, that can be in a bad day, no? And she still look rich.
Smash me.
But it's a smisser.
Bombakla.
If you know, guys, this is the Jaden Smash way. It's a hard smash.
I never heard that before, but okay.
I did it before.
8.5.
Hard smash.
What
Same
did
what
you
Samir said, 8.5.
Let's go. Let's get it.
Let's get it.
That's one.
Oh. Say it a prik op.
Oh, that's not the prick, yeah? That's the baby, bro.
Bro, lekker sushi by
That's
the
the you get baby there, my bro. But it's your opinion, most now.
Pas!
What do you give her?
Ik lach nog, ik trek je haren, zoals ik je haren trekken, kom trekken.
There's not a prick, my bro. There's not a prick.
I give her a 7.
7, I give her 7.
Nee, I give her a 6.
That's crazy, man. 10, I give her.
Fight me.
10.
Fight me. Fight me, man. Come fight me.
Nice, the eyes, man. The eyes.
The eyes don't fit by her.
The eyes make it the
Must go
7. 7.3.
Black eyes.
7.3.
Black eyes, hoor.
Nah, it fits with the skin color.
Black eyes.
She's fit with the skin color.
She has fat lips. Yeah, that's a smash. 100%. 8.2.
You see that meme thing that when you see a girl and then he makes you what they call.
Kijk, maak dit een meme.
Don't make it meme, man.
Wat is dat, man? Ik had een meme. Ik ga naar uitkant. Afval die phone. You remember my phone fell twice that video.
Smash!
Was the last week. Now it was a week off.
And it's on a Drake song.
Van this, ik smis 8.2. Maar can't I by now say
8.5.
but the first goal, yeah, that's a fun number. Fun. Ooh, there's more like now.
That's a solidina, yeah.
Now when we get home,
That's just an extra round quickly, one more. That is not gonna be in the video, no? That is just gonna be an extra bomba color.
but it's in the video.
But
Yeah.
I'm not gonna send you those pizza.
Man, Indro is gonna take over this vlog. Indro? Wie you at?
Indro sitting there in the corner, guys. If you didn't know, he
Yeah,
was
he's
quiet
sitting
the
there.
whole time.
He's sitting there. Guys, we have a new.
Like last night, goodbye, guys. Welcome to the end of the video. It's the end of the video. Like and comment and subscribe. Turn on the bell so you know when we next upload. Then you can watch it. Bye, guys.